This video is to help you with C.1 integer and addition and subtraction rules. So what we want to remember when we're looking at this is our rules for addition and subtraction. So what it wants to know is 4 plus -5 positive or negative? So the signs are different. I noticed that's a +4 and a -5, so the signs are different. This means we subtract. We subtract and we take the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so I look at 4 and 5. Which one is bigger? 5 is bigger than 4. 5 is the one that's negative. So I take the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is negative, so my answer is negative. All right, here's an easy one. I've got a positive number plus a positive number. When the signs are the same, we add and we keep the sign. Okay, so these are two positive numbers that we're adding together, positive plus positive. We add them together and we keep the sign, so the answer is positive. Okay, so for this one, if you would like to, you can look at it like this and think about the 74 being negative and the 23 being negative, or if you'd rather, you can think of it like this. -74 minus 23 is the same thing as -74 plus -23. See how I've just taken the sign and made it stick to the number? Okay, so these two things are the same. They mean the same thing. So look, the signs are the same. They're both negative, so I would add these numbers together, and when I add two negatives together, it's a negative number. Okay, so again, when we see two negatives right next to each other, we always want to immediately know that that's really addition. Okay, it only works when they're right next to each other, okay? So now the signs are different. I've got a -87 and a +59. So if I just look at 87 and 59, which number is bigger? The 87 is bigger. So the 87 is negative. So my answer is going to be negative. Okay, 59 and 23. 59 minus 23 is the same thing as 59 plus -23. So the signs are different. I have a negative here and a positive here. Which number is bigger, 59 or 23? 59 is bigger and it's positive, so my answer will be positive. Here's another couple of double negatives, so I'm going to immediately change those double negatives to, you guessed it, positives. So 34 plus 84. Both numbers are positive. I'm adding them together, so my answer will be positive. Okay, here's another one where both numbers are negative. They have the same sign, so we would add these numbers together, keep the sign, so my answer is negative. Four minus 7, same thing as 4 plus -7. 4 and 7, which one is bigger? The 7 is bigger. The 7 is negative, so when I subtract, my answer will be negative.